So, dear friends of the garage, our success story continues. And now I have opened the handle, and again, I would like to show you what I'm doing to unsolder the old cable. The first thing that I check, I'm looking how many entrances we have and where the entrances are. So, as you see, let me get some pointing things here. As you see, here is the first connection to the primary coil, and here is the second connection to the primary coil. I also checked it before I cut the cable at the device to find out that the two light brown cables are the primary coils cable, and you see a dark cable here, and this is the grounding. So if we want to replace this cable, we have to take care about those points here, and about the grounding. So let me do this. Okay dears, now we are taking a closer look on my work. So what did I do? I first placed here some shrinking wire to protect the fabric against the probably impact of this head here. Then I connected the line and the neutral to the ends of the primary coil, and I also connected the ground, as you see it here. I also connected the ground to the ground, so this needs a little bit more careful work, but I'll do this now. Finally, we have everything here now. I rest my case. I hope it works, but I keep you updated. Bye and have a nice evening.